Bonnie, happy hot Monday. Oh my gosh, it is roasting out. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow though, so maybe it'll cool off a little. Check it out. I got the July Ipsy bag and box here. Thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting me Passport to Glow this month. If you want to get the bag, it is 13, and then the box is I think 29. I gotta make sure. This is actually the BoxyCharm box. The icon box, I think it's coming next month, but I do have a link below if you'd like to try one of these. So I'm just gonna kind of dig in. I always like opening things and finding out the mystery inside. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is actually kind of nice. We have a different bag this month. Okay, Passport to Glow. Check this out. Oh yeah, I like it when they give us a little bit of a different bag. These are fun. I use these bags a lot. You know what I use them for? Beach class. I like to take these little bags to the beach and collect rocks in them. So yeah, that's exciting. First up, we have 8 Saints Up the Anti-Aging Night Cream. 8 Saints Up the Anti-Aging Night Cream. That was really hard to say, you guys. Check it out. I love the way the products look in my new filming area. Look at that. Okay, so I got a little anti-aging cream there. I have the Glycolic Body Scrub by Frank Body. I've used this before. Look at this cute little pouch here. That's fun. I feel like, what is the game show? There's a game show where you get to like stick your hand in something and grab stuff. Complexion Rescue Bronzer from Bare Minerals. That's actually a nice product. The blush, I like Bare Minerals. I haven't used it in a long time. We have a Mean brush here. And then the final thing is Dallas and James Watermelon Dream all-in-one eye cream. So that was the little bag. Dig in the bag. Okay. Now we're going to open up the big one here. I don't think I have scissors, so you got to bear with me for a minute. I just polished my nails too. I don't want to mess my nails up. Okay, can I do this? I'm going to try. I think I did it. There's a little piece of paper here. Okay, I did not mess my thumb up. Okay. This one has, check it out, you get a BoxyCharm Passport to Glow magazine here. Always fun to look at. Are you ready? What do I have in here? This is 5 full-size products. I have the Daily UV Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 36 from Innisfree. That's actually helpful. I think I need one of these. My daughter took my sunscreen the other day because she needed it, and I think we need another one. So yay, that's a good thing. I always get this wrong. Ilmagic? Ilmagic. You guys are gonna correct me. I know I'm wrong. I need to get these right. This is the mascara though. I'm so excited. I have another mascara, so that's good. I have the Fenty. What is this? Oh, perfume. I've never tried this before. I'm gonna try it. Look at that. Fenty Fent perfume. Is it called Fenty Fent, or is that just the name on the box? Look, see, it says Fenty Fent. Look at that. I'm not kidding, that's what it says. Okay, we're gonna try this out. There's no scent notes on here. Let me try it. Let me see. Oh, that smells good. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like a Bath & Body Works In the Stars type of scent. No, Into the Night. Why did I say Into the Stars? I'm like, In the Stars! I don't like In the Stars! Into the Night. It's got like that patchouli. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh. In the Stars, Into the Night. Into the Night, by the way, is getting a repackage. Oh, that's actually good. I'm gonna put it back in here so it doesn't break. That smells nice. That's like a fall scent. Well, evening scent going on there. Okay, what else did I get in here? Whoa, wait. Is there something out? No. Okay, I'm like, wait a minute. I got a palette. It's always fun to get a palette. I like getting the palettes. Are you ready? I got, oh, Laura Geller. I like Laura Geller. Oh, Wildflower Wishes. Check that out. That's actually, I think, going to be a really pretty palette here. Oh no, it's sealed. Okay, let me open it without ripping my nail polish off. I need scissors. Oh, here. I have scissors, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't mess my nail polish up. I'm so happy I have scissors. Yay. Okay, got it. Open this one up. Check that out. Okay, I'm gonna do, is there a mirror? I don't want to blind anyone. Let me get the box here. Okay, big reveal, you guys. These are gorgeous. Look at those shades. I'm loving this purple, actually. You know what? These shades are like my happy place for like fall. We have oh my gosh, Mayflower, Poppy, Daisy, Cosmos, Bee Balm, Zinnia, Tiger Lily, all of these flowers. This is really pretty. Okay, I love Laura Geller too. I'm excited about that. That actually makes me really happy. Okay, final product. We have the Lith UHD Brow Sculpt Brow Shaping Wax with a Sculpting Brush. I don't know if I would want to like mess with my brows in that way. What if you sculpt them off? I don't know. I don't worry about my eyebrows, you guys. It's funny, I was talking with a girlfriend today about eyebrows, and I'm like, you know what? I never worry about my eyebrows because I have bangs, but my eyebrows are actually not too bad. They're pretty nicely shaped for some reason, just naturally. So what is this stuff? It's clear. Look at that. It's totally clear. Okay. I think what you do is you take this cute little brush and then you kind of put it on and you shape your eyebrows. I'm guessing that's what it is. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, now it's bothering me that I can't get the box together. You ever have just like a moment? Why isn't that going together? It's a gel. It lifts and tames your brows. Oh, there, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in here so I don't lose the cute little brush that goes with it. But yeah, okay, maybe I'll try and smooth my brows. I don't know, or I'll give it to my girlfriend and see if she wants it. I want this go in here. And this cute little brush, and it looks like it now. I don't know. I can't get the cute little brush in. That's okay. I won't lose it. Oh, you know where it goes? It goes on top. Look at that. It's actually the packaging was made for the brush. Should have figured that out. Anyway, yay! I am in trouble today. Favorite product is the Laura Geller palette. Second favorite product is the mascara. You know me, I love a good mascara. And I think the third favorite is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue bronzer blush. I'm gonna open this. I'm just gonna rip it open. There we go. Check it out. I actually like Bare Minerals. I used to buy it a lot, like 8-10 years ago, I think, when it first came. Did it first come out then? Okay, I'm gonna put a little on my hand. Look at that, and then I'm just gonna streak that. Let me see how it blends. Oh, I put way too much on. That's okay. I just dropped the cap. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm having like a moment. I swear, it's a full moon night. Okay, so I'm just gonna work this in. And you know what? It worked in really well. I'm glad I actually did that. That was a happy mistake. It's kind of like, it's bronzy, I guess, but it's like pretty. Look at that. So, yay! Okay, Bare Minerals for the win. Anyway, thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting me both of these. I do have a link below. Thank you for watching. I'll be back for August box soon. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.